guys, it's Lincoln and welcome to my very first tutorial video. Today we're going to be making frozen yogurt without an ice cream machine. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need vanilla Greek yogurt, either honey or agave, vanilla extract, and some frozen fruit. You'll also need a food processor, as well as a freezer-safe container to freeze the frozen yogurt. Start by scooping 1 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt into the food processor. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of any type of frozen fruit, but today I'll be using strawberries and raspberries. So you can go ahead and dump your frozen fruit into the food processor. It's important you don't use fresh fruit as the frozen fruit gives it its thick consistency. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey or agave, as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you can go ahead and blend your froyo until you get a thick and creamy mix. Once you're done with the food processor, pour your mix into your freezer-safe container. Store the frozen yogurt in the freezer. However, every 30 minutes, take it out and give it a little mix so that ice crystals do not form on the top. Scrape the top of the froyo where the ice has hardened and mix it thoroughly so that the cold is evenly distributed. Store the frozen yogurt in the freezer so it can keep freezing, and continue this routine every half hour for at least 3 hours. So when 3 hours are up, you can try your frozen yogurt. You can store your frozen yogurt in the freezer for up to a month. So finally, our frozen yogurt is ready! And it's delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying this frozen yogurt. Questions, comments, and video requests can go down below. Please subscribe and like this video, and thanks for watching!